Welcome to How to Solve. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to delete the Jawa camera app on your mobile device. So first is to open your phone settings and then scroll down to General. Tap on that and now tap on iPhone storage. And now, you have to find on the Jawa camera app, and then once you find it, tap on that, and then to completely uninstall the app, simply tap on delete app here. And then if you want to delete an app instantly, you can also do it without going to settings. So on your home screen, simply hold the app that you want to delete. Then a few options will pop up. Simply click on remove app. So that's it for today, and if you have any video suggestions, just comment down below. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.